Welcome to GetGIS, where we will provide you with the valuable insights on different aspects of immigration. Today we will discuss the latest update of the Canada PR Express Entry program, the removal of the upfront medical examination requirement. As of October 1, 2023, Express Entry applicants are no longer required to complete and submit their medical examination before submitting the application. This is a significant change as it will remove a major barrier to entry for many of the potential candidates. Benefits of the new medical examination process for the Express Entry applicants. There are a few reasons why the removal of the upfront medical examination requirement is a positive change for the Canada PR Express Entry program. First, reduced processing times. One of the main benefits of the new medical examination process is that it will help to reduce the processing time for Express Entry applications. Alignment with other countries. The latest changes in the medical examination process also aligns Canada's immigration process with other countries like Australia and New Zealand. This makes it easier for the people who are immigrating to Canada to compare the different immigration programs available for them. How to schedule a medical examination if you are invited to apply for the permanent residence through Express Entry. If you are invited to apply for permanent residence through Express Entry, you will be instructed to complete a medical examination. To do this, you will need to schedule an appointment with a panel physician. A panel physician is a doctor who has been authorized by the Canadian government to conduct the medical examination for the permanent residence applications. You can find a list of panel physicians on the IRCC website. Once you have found a panel physician, you may contact them directly to schedule an appointment. What to expect during a medical examination for permanent residence? The medical examination for permanent residence is a comprehensive examination that includes a physical exam, a review of your medical history, and a series of tests. The tests may include blood tests, urine, x-rays, and more. The purpose of the medical examination is to assess your overall health and to ensure that you do not have any medical conditions that would pose a risk to public health and safety in Canada. What to do if you do not pass the medical examination? If you do not pass the medical examination, you may still be eligible for the permanent residence if you meet the certain eligibility criteria. For example, you may be eligible for a compassionate exemption if you have a family member in Canada who is dependent on you. If you are not eligible for a compassionate exemption, you may be able to reapply for the permanent residence after you have treated your medical conditions. Resources for the Express Entry applicants who have questions about the medical examination process. If you have any questions about the medical examination process, you can contact directly IRCC. Thank you for joining us today at GetGIS. If you found this information valuable, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more informative content on immigration. Until next time, take care.